Welcome to this video for fixing Windows XP Online activation. The first 1 minute and 10 seconds will demonstrate the problem, so skip to there if you want to see the fix. So after going online, Windows Update will pop up, and in my case I decided to disable it. I'll be making a separate video for XP updates, and we'll try here and see what happens before the fix. So it's important before you do anything to make sure your date and time is correct. So here we're going into the settings and syncing it up with time.windows.com. And then when you try to activate, hit yes, next, and I'm not going to register. And it's checking for connectivity, and it fails with 32777. So let's see if we're actually online. I'm going to go into a command prompt and ping Google. And sure enough, it's working, so we're online. So see description for download link for this program, and it's simple. Just open it up, click yes, and wait a minute. It will take several seconds for this to download, and I'll have it up on my website where you can even download directly from XP. So they're successfully updated. That's what we're looking for. Now, start command prompt and see the video description for the folder to change to, and we're going to run the program and go through the same steps again. Click in there on yes and click next, and not going to register, and here it goes. Now this time it'll take maybe 2 or 3 times longer, and boom, success. It's working with that one simple fix. So what happened? Let's go and look at the technical details for those of you that are curious. I'm opening up setup.api.log in Notepad here, and we're going to dig around, and we're going to search for this string here. But every time you see that, it means a new attempt was made. So what I'm going to do is open up find, and I'm searching for return activation status string. And we can see there the 32777, and we see it failed with an HTTP 401 error, unauthorized. So that's the failed activation there with the HTTP 401 error code. Certificate problem, couldn't communicate with server, and there's 0. That means it was successful. So that's what you'll get when it's good. So fixing the certificate with that update enabled communication with the activation server. We were able to get online and update. So if you like this video, go ahead and share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content.